how to make a bootable USB flash drive, and how to use it to install Windows operating systems. First, we need a USB flash drive at least 8 GB. For me, I'm using my 32 GB. Now let's start. On your PC, reformat the USB flash drive. Just right-click to the drive where the USB is detected. Scroll down and click Format. And click Start to start the formatting. When it's done, click OK. Now let's head up to the next steps. I will leave the download links of the software that I'll be using. Open the folder. Take note, it's better to put this folder to the location that's easy to find. For me, I put it on my desktop. Now double-click the software named Rufus version 3.17. In the upper box you will see the name of the USB flash drive that I inserted. And in the next box, it will appear the name of the operating system that we will selected. This is the operating system file that I'm talking about. Let's go back to Rufus Software. Now it's time to select the operating system file. Just click Select. Then browse to the location where the operating system file is located. It is in the folder where I said earlier, it's on the desktop. Just double-click the operating system file to load it up. Now it's already loaded up. This option is for the computer system type, if it's UEFI or legacy. Most of the latest computers or laptops have a GPT or UEFI system types. If the PC is old models or it's on legacy system, you need to select the MBR options. But on this tutorial, I'm using the latest laptop models, so I'll choose the GPT systems. On this box you can rename the USB flash drive if you like to change. For me, I will rename it to Windows 10 Pro Installer. Now we can click Start to start the process. Never mind the warnings, just click OK. Now it's started the process, let's wait to finish. Remember that we only creating a flash drive that have operating systems. Later, I will show you how to use it to install an operating system to the computers. I will fast forward the video. The process will take long time depending on the speed of the PC you are using. When you see the green is already full and says ready, the process is finished, and we can now close the Rufus software. Let's check the USB flash drive if what looks like now. The USB flash drive now have a Windows operating system installer already. Now I'll teach you on how to use it. I have now a sample laptop with a Windows 11 Pro operating system installed. I will downgrading it and install a Windows 10 Pro operating system that I'd created earlier in the video. As you can see, the laptops have a Windows 11 Pro OS now. It's depend on you if you like to upgrade your OS from Windows 8 to Windows 10, or downgrade it from Windows 11 to Windows 10 OS. I shut it down to set up the boot priorities on the laptop. Now insert the USB flash drive to the laptop. Now let's go to the BIOS settings of the laptop. Press power button and immediately press the F2 button on the keyboard repeatedly. Now we have already entered the BIOS settings. We need to change the boot priority on the boot order. As you can see, the flash drive I use is detected on second boot priority order. In order to put the USB flash to the first priority, use F4 or F5 keys on the keyboard to navigate the up and down commands. Now the USB flash drive is on the first priority. Now press F10 on the keyboards to save and exit. And the laptops are going to reboot. Remember that the laptop will boot from the USB flash drive that I inserted, because we changed the boot priority earlier. Now the laptop is starting to loading up the Windows 10 Pro operating system from the USB flash drive. Now the Windows 10 Pro installer shows on the screen. You can change the language input and also the keyboard or input methods that you want before you continue. Now click Next to continue the process. And then click Install Now. Next steps, tick the I accept the license terms and click Next. Then click the Custom, Install Windows Only. Now you can create the hard drives partitions that you plan to do. In my case, I will do the easiest way. I will not create hard drive partitions. By doing this, I will delete all the partitions one by one. Now there's no partitions, and the SSD drive are free and it's only one. As I said, I will not create a partition, so I will click Next right away. The Windows 10 Pro operating system are now installing. Just wait the process to finish the installation. Your PC will reboot sometime, but it's normal. Now let's set up some things. Just watch how I set it up. It's up to you if you like to copy my settings, or you can do yours. After setting it up, just wait again until it finished. And now it's done. The Windows 10 Pro operating system is successfully installed using the USB flash drive. Let's double check to make it sure. You'll see clearly that the system is running now on Windows 10 Pro.